Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आमकां उलयत म्हूण सांगिल्लो पंचायत बॉडीक उलयन मागीर तेजेर पूण तेदो म्हळ्यार हांवें तांकां स्टॉप करून काम करना काय सांगिल्लें.
किती इशू आसा तो? Is it a river has been buried? What is the thing?
People are worried that the rivers have been buried, existing rivers that they have been buried. Okay, and they have certain say that certain land is which is not acquired, the mud has been filled, work is ongoing. If that is the case, wherever the land is not acquired, that has to be stopped immediately. Flow of river, whatever is there, it has to be taken care. The national water body has to go the way it has to go.
मागणी रिव्हरातली माती पळय गायला ती रिव्हरातली माती काढून उडोवची. आमची रिव्हर तेणी आहा तशी जाती. तेणी एक्वायर केला ते आमकां लागना. रिव्हर आहा ती रिव्हर दवरची. तांकां जर तूं डेव्हलपमेंट रोड करून जाय कितें जाय तेणी तेंच्या वयल्यान ब्रिज बांदून वचची पण माती घालून दिवची ना.
See, what happened is there is a disagreement regarding construction work here over there. Okay, the construction work. So what happened? As demanded by the public, we have requested the public, the panchayat and few leaders will sit down for a meeting with us tomorrow. And as a mark of respect to the people's sentiment, we are calling off work till the meeting tomorrow. Okay, outcome of the meeting.
Thank you.